A grand jury here in New York City has just handed up an indictment against former President Donald Trump, making him the first former president in U.S. history to face criminal charges. This, of course, is unprecedented. The former president accused of paying $130,000 in hush money to Stormy Daniels in the weeks before the 2016 presidential election. Again, the news just coming in moments ago, according to multiple sources, the Manhattan grand jury votes to indict Donald Trump. I want to bring in our investigative reporter, Aaron Katersky, in Lower Manhattan tonight. Aaron, what have you learned?
Word came down just a short while ago, David, that a grand jury that has been meeting here since January has just voted to return an indictment against former President Trump. The indictment is currently under seal, so we don't know the specific charges, but the grand jury had been hearing evidence about Trump's alleged role in that hush payment you mentioned to Stormy Daniels. Hush money by itself is not illegal. It's the way that Trump and the Trump organization accounted for it that got the attention of the Manhattan District Attorney's Office, which called more than a half dozen witnesses over the last several weeks, including Michael Cohen, former President Trump's one-time fixer and attorney who wrote the $130,000 check to Stormy Daniels and said in congressional testimony and during court activity that he was directed by Trump to make that payment in order to protect Trump's election chances in 2016. We don't, again, know the specific charges because this is under seal, but falsifying business records, David, is a misdemeanor in New York. It can be bumped up to a felony if the business records were falsified in furtherance of another crime. What that crime could be, perhaps a campaign finance violation, perhaps a violation of state election law or tax law. We just don't know, but it's always been thought, David, the Manhattan District Attorney would not move forward with this unprecedented indictment of a former American president unless there were going to be felony charges.